Ahmedabad is ready for the blockbuster clash India versus New Zealand on the 8th of March. But before that, there is going to be a blockbuster performance. And joining me is the person who is going to be headlining it, Sukhbir Singh. Sukhbir sir, firstly, thank you so much for being here on Times Now, taking out the time and speaking to us.
It's my pleasure, Karishma. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it.
Sukhbir sir, tell us, you've done so many concerts in your life, but performing to a stadium audience who are, crazy about cricket, who are there for the match, how is that experience going to be for you? It is going to be different from what you do in your concerts?
It's very funny you ask me that because watching previous cricket matches, I could hear my song, Andar Bar, and the whole stadium resonating with Oh Ho 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 or Sauda Kara Kara. And then this is the first time I think I'm actually going to be there singing it, and then that energy is different. So I'm so very excited. And it's I think every performer's dream come true to be performing in their country, amongst their people, on a global platform, global stage. I mean, what an amazing thing. All the cricketers are going to be there. Everybody, all the eyes are going to be, the global eyes are going to be here. And then you get this amazing stage and opportunity to perform. It's an honor and a half.
And absolutely. And you also spoke about your songs playing in the stadium, but you hadn't performed then up until now. So was that desire always there to be present in a stadium and perform your songs that they always hear on a, mic system?
Absolutely. I mean, it's more than a desire to be present in that audience. I have been in a couple of cricket matches where in Dubai where they did play a clip. I was present and I observed it. But now to be able to actually perform and experience it live, that's a totally whole new ball game.
I see the excitement in your voice even right now when we're speaking to you. But just give us a glimpse of what the fans are going to, get to see in the stadium for our viewers. If I can ask you to sing 2 lines of any of your favorite songs. I know, tough choice, but still.
Absolutely. I think the song I hear a lot is this one, and I can't do justice sitting here with a mic because we need to move and but I'll give you a glimpse.
You can stand up if you want.
नहीं ऐसे कर देते कोई बात नहीं. I'm all for it. ओ तारे गिन गिन याद तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नू रोक ना पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नू ओ हो हो ओ हो 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 इश्क तेरा तड़पावे. Now imagine this with 150,000 people singing that along with me. For Team India. Kya baat hai.
And it was tough for me to resist sitting here and not sing it with you because, we've also grown up to these songs. But, sir, let's also talk about a bit of cricket. Who is your favorite player? And I don't want to answer the entire team.
No, absolutely. To be very honest, I've met Virat Kohli and I had the opportunity of interacting with him on a couple of occasions. And he's just such a down-to-earth human being. So I like that side of players. So Virat, since I know him personally, he's always been my number one. So, bro.
But in the current team, any favorites?
I think current team में हमारा अर्शी मैं उसको अर्शी बुलाता हूँ सरदार जी जो है तो very amazing person. I just reached out to him on Instagram some times back and he responded back. This shows you the human side of players and I love his bowling. He's amazing. All the best, Team India.
And which cricketer in the Indian team do you think has the potential to do justice to Bhangra on your songs?
Hardik has been present in a couple of times and he's very naughty, makes a lot of noise. I think all of them, sabhi log react karte hain. I've seen them on different occasions. But Hardik at one of these big fat Indian weddings, he was there and making a lot of noise while I was singing. So usko maine aise aise kiya tha. So I think he's going to be one of those naughty guys.
Sir, also let's just talk about, your feeling. It's the big match, one step away from victory. And, no country has ever won this title twice in a row. So India is standing at the cusp of history. The entire country is rallying behind them, Surya Kumar Yadav and the entire team. What is your message to the entire team?
हमारा देश है, bro. Go for it. I am there personally to support you guys. So, just do your best.